Austin set up the table for us, and Eric's over here making brunch. It is about 11:15 on Sunday morning.
Hi.
Christmas Eve, right?
Yeah. I want this day to be over.
We're tidying up the house a little bit, getting our stuff taken care of. We're gonna have brunch, and then we're gonna bake some cookies and make some more candy.
I'm a little excited.
Yeah, just a little. We're gonna, and oh yeah, we gotta bake pies for tomorrow, and our cornflake wreaths. So lots of stuff happening in the kitchen today.
Wait, we're making pies too?
Hey, cornflake wreath.
They're not. We're not making pies. We're just heating up the pies that are in the freezer. And cornflake wreath.
What kind of pies?
That's not gonna last the day.
Yeah.
It's gonna warn
What
you.
kind of pies? I know triple berry.
An apple.
An apple.
Yep.
No cherry.
Oh, I think I'm sick.
Oh no, you're getting sick? What's wrong?
My stomach on both sides hurts and my nostrils are filled.
Well, maybe you're just hungry.
No.
Nostrils filled?
My sinuses are not supposed to be filled unless I'm sick.
How about you? How are you feeling?
Good.
Good.
I'm dying.
Actually, I'm feeling excited because I want Christmas.
Well, pretty soon. How are you feeling this morning?
Fine.
You went out hunting this morning? It's gonna be a good day. Alright, brunch by my hubby is all done. It looks amazing. We need ketchup on the table, guys, too, please.
For
Hash browns. Alright, so brunch is all cleaned back up. It was a lovely meal. My husband did a great job. Just a few leftovers for later. I'm gonna get those in the fridge. I need to wrap a gift for my mother-in-law. She asked for one of these O-Cedar spin mops, so we got that for her, so I need to wrap that. And I never did get around to steam mopping in here, so that is next on my list of things to do today. Alright, you guys, we're going to make some cornflake wreaths. We already finished up all the cookies. They turned out great. The recipe that I use is actually just from my head because my mom always used to make this, but I found this one for you guys by SciSouthernKitchen.com. I'll link it for you down below. It's real easy. It's just like a Rice Krispie treat, only with cornflakes. And I don't do mini wreaths like this. I do one big one. So we're just going to go ahead and make this up. Half a stick of butter, or half a cup of butter, 1 stick of butter, 1 package of marshmallows, 1 1/4 teaspoons of green food coloring, 4 1/2 cups of cornflakes cereal. So we're gonna get to work.
Okay, we've got, is that 2?
2 cups.
Okay, can I put the next one?
Yeah, go ahead.
And then into the thing.
Now half a cup. Here. Just about. It doesn't have to be perfect.
I can't see the measurement. Oh god, that was way too much. Was it?
That's like a cup.
That's
So,
like a cup, so.
good enough.
And it's about a half.
Good enough. Alright. We got our 4 1/2 cups of cornflakes. Now we're gonna melt some marshmallows. Yeah, melt some marshmallows. Get them in there.
I I've never got to do this actual part of it.
Stirring around until it's all melted.
All gooey.
Yep. And once it's all melted, we'll add the food coloring. And then we'll pour it over the cornflakes. And basically, the best way to work it, once you do that, is with your hands. And I will do that because it's going to be hot. Okay? But you can do the rest.
Okay.
Robbie didn't want to help, so. He's filming already.
I'd say that's good. It's all mixed up. It should be a good color. I think you'll miss some on one of the edges.
It's okay. Watch out, it's hot, you guys.
Oh yeah. Now we pour. So after this, we've just got to add the M&Ms on top, right?
So we traded some M&Ms around to make it look a little bit more festive. Plus the red M&Ms we had were breaking on us. So we added our cookies, and now we have our little platter for tomorrow. What do you think?
I like it.
So for dinner tonight, we're having tilapia fillets with bell pepper and onion. We've got some buttered noodles on the side and some green beans.
It's amazing.
Yeah? You like it? What about you, Austin? What do you think? Okay.
Dad's making candy. Look at it. It's bubbling and boiling. And he's also breaking some. He's making a lot. 1 pan, 2 pan. That will make 2 more pans. So yay, lots of candy.